Hello everybody, this is going to be the showcase video for an SC2 mod that I started working on a while back called Starcraft Trinity RPG. It's basically a three-player cooperative RPG where you and two allies will fight through different groups of bad guys and bosses to level up and get better armor for your characters. There is a save load system for your characters from game to game, so any like levels that you get in one game will carry over to the next game. And now obviously you can tell by just looking at this interface here, this game is pretty far from being complete. It's still in early alpha stages. You can tell, you see we only have one of our custom health bars working correctly up here, and our interface overlay is bland to say the least, but this is going to be mostly a proof of concept video. Now, so I'm going to start by going over some of the features that you can customize your character with. First thing is you've got this talent tree system here. Normally there would be three different trees for each character's talent tree, but as of right now we only have one, and you'll see that I already have 31 points I can spend in it. Normally you start with no points, and as you level up you get more points, but this is a demo video, so you'll see that this works pretty similar to a World of Warcraft talent tree, in that you can get these things and you can level up your stuff. Some graphical changes. Yeah. Now you can see the combat in this game works pretty simple. You just have to select a target with your left mouse, and that is the target you'll attack whenever you're within close enough range. Another really cool thing about this map is you can actually bind your hotkeys here to different abilities. These actually correspond to abilities on your character's command card, so there's not extra delay or lag from recording actual key events. This game is going to be largely focused on randomized boss fights. On this map, this would be the first boss that you would encounter. However, the boss fights are not working right now. I can defeat a boss on my own anyway. I need a couple allies to help me. Now hopefully when the map is complete, this won't be the only map that people can play on. People will also be able to take their characters that they've leveled up in one map and then play maybe a harder map in that and so they can get better gear and better levels in that increased difficulty. So it would kind of be like progression. And so like when you start playing, you'd have to do one of the easier maps, and then you can progressively get harder and harder. This would be the second boss that you would encounter on this map. And in the final product of the game, the bosses will be randomized. So when you saw that Murloc boss earlier on, it won't always be a Murloc when you come to fight him, and the big Spore Crawler won't always be a Spore Crawler. Each map will contain 3 boss fights, and it will be random which bosses they are. We did our best to try and include cool terrain and boss fights into the game, and you'll see this boss fight, the final boss fight for this this map, it takes place in this cave, and you fight this High Templar and Dark Templar together. But obviously, boss fights aren't working right now. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up this map demo. We've been pretty busy, occupied with SC2 Frenzy, and we're planning on revisiting this project very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.